Welcome to the discussion on e-banking. My name is Dr. Devlipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith, we are going to discuss unit number 4, e-banking. This unit concerns with M.Com part 2nd semester 4 Group D Advanced Banking and Financial System paper 6 Modern Banking. You may refer syllabus of this subject. In this discussion, we may highlight on introduction of banking, function of banking, evolution of banking, concept of e-banking, their advantages, disadvantages and different form of e-banking, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. Learning objective of this session: understand concept of e-banking and banking, to know evolution of banking, concept of e-banking, form of e-banking, advantages and disadvantages of e-banking, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. You may know a bank is a financial institution where you can deposit your money, and bank provide a system for easily transferring money from one person to person or business to another. You may know how to evaluate the evolution of Indian banking sector. It is closed market. RBI, you may know RBI was established by the year 1935. It is central bank of banking system. We may say apex bank of banking. Then we may classify scheduled bank, unscheduled bank. Scheduled bank include commercial bank, cooperative bank. Commercial bank we may classify public sector bank, private sector bank, foreign bank and regional bank, cooperative bank, urban cooperative and state cooperative. Function of bank: accepting deposit, giving loan, overdraft, discontinue of bills of exchange, investment of fund, agency function. These are function of bank. Types of bank: public sector bank, private sector bank and cooperative bank. You may learn all these things and you may know what are the banks. Then in this discussion, main aim is we want to introduce concept of e-banking. You may know e-commerce. Under the e-commerce we may classify e-finance and e-money, and e-finance we may classify e-banking and other financial services and product. E-banking including internet banking, telephone banking and other electronic devices we may use for the banking purpose. E-banking or electronic banking is a major innovation in field of banking. Earlier banking was conducted in very traditional manners. There were no such innovation. Information revolution led to evolution of internet, which led to e-commerce, continued by evolution of e-banking. History of e-banking. E-banking history dated back to 1980. The term online became popular in the late 18th and referred to use of terminal, keyboard and TV, that is monitor, to access the banking system using a phone line. Then we want to understand concept of e-banking, that is we can say online banking or internet banking. In simple term, it does not involve any physical exchange of money, but it all done electronically from one account to another using internet. There may be IT enabled services including sophisticated product development, better market infrastructure, implementation of reliable technique for control of risk, help to reach geographical distance area. These are IT enabled services. Then e-banking include keep track account and transaction, make third-party payment, transfer fund, download transaction, order checkbook, request stop payment, check account balance. All these function including e-banking, form of e-banking, internet, mobile network, automated telephone, ATM network, SMS facility, multi-purpose information, web TV and other e-channels enable financial transaction from anywhere and allow non-stop working time. Trend of e-banking, modern banking is virtual banking. Virtual banking means customer cannot see the bank, but with the help of technology, he can conduct the banking activity anywhere in the world. The major types of virtual banking: automated teller machine, smart card, phone banking, home banking, internet banking. This is types of electronic deliver channel of e-banking. Then we want to understand features of e-banking. That is, bank statement is there. E-banking usually offers such features: bank statement, electronic bill payment, fund transfer, loan application and transactions such as repayment, account aggregation is there, and all these things may be happen and complete. We may provide this facility through the information technology. Through the e-banking, focus on core banking solution, customer relationship management and electronic payment services, ATM, telephone banking. Then focus aspect: ATM, telebanking, latest trend, internet banking, globalization of banking, satellite banking, phone banking. These are features of recent trend in banking. Then we want to understand advantages of e-banking: round the clock banking, user friendly, low cost, minimum transaction cost is there, portable banking, speed banking is there. Then provide services product across range of channel, improve management and accountability, improve financial analysis capabilities. Limitation is there, startup cost is there, training and maintenance cost is there, security is there, legal issue is there. These are limitation of e-banking. If for the more detail, you may refer some books and syllabus reference book, and if you have any doubt, please contact me. My name is Dr. Deoli PN, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Mobile number 9049081926. Email ID paresh84jan@redmail.com. Thank you.